In honor of the life-giving, life-taking nature of this treacherous ocean of infinite possibility we call a universe, I'd like to present to you the science has inadvertently proved reincarnation but no one wants to admit it in fear of losing credibility hypothesis. Sounds crazy, right? Well, let me explain the scientific principles which are the foundation for this hypothesis, and maybe you will see where I am coming from. Firstly, E equals mc squared, formulated by the one and only Albert Einstein, which, in oversimplified terms, means energy and matter are different forms of the same thing. And secondly, the first law of thermodynamics, which states energy can be transformed from one form to another, but can neither be created nor destroyed. So what do these principles have to do with the potential for reincarnation? Well, on the one hand you have us, organic beings made of energy, and on the other hand you have the fact that energy is technically immortal. It cannot be created nor destroyed, it can just change form, so when we die nothing is actually lost, we just change form and unconsciously function as other parts of the universe. Which, if we follow this train of thought to its conclusion, means there is a tiny, almost insignificant chance that the energy which makes you up right now will find itself in the same form in which it is right now. Now I know, it sounds like such an unlikely event, it is almost irrelevant, except for the fact that it's happened before. You're proof you can exist according to the laws of physics, which means you could exist again, and given enough time you probably will. I mean, think of it like a dice. Even if it has 1 trillion faces, if you roll it more than 1 trillion times, the same outcome will pop up more than once eventually. So why does this mean I'll be reincarnated? Well, to put it quite simply, if an event can occur, it will occur, and in this situation you are the event, and your life is just one side of the trillion-faced dice, which is being rolled infinite times by our universe. Crazy, right? And this hypothesis suggests the next you wouldn't just be a copy or a clone, they would be made out of the exact fundamental pieces of the universe that consist of you right now, while infinite copies of you would also exist simultaneously in other far reaches of the universe. This idea of an infinite fractal pattern that stretches all time implies eventually your same energy may one day reconnect and find itself as you again and again and again. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on reincarnation. We're going to continue to create thought-provoking content like this, so like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing.